Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize impact.com API keys for reporting. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin authorizing your impact.com API keys for reporting, log into your impact.com account. Navigate to the settings section on the dashboard. Look for the API option in the sidebar menu and click on it. Here, you will find the API key management interface. If you have existing keys that need authorization, locate them in the list. For new keys, click on the Create API Key button. Fill in the necessary details such as key name and access levels. For reporting purposes, ensure that you select the correct scopes. After entering all the details, click the Create button to generate the new API key. Once created, the API key will appear in your list. To authorize a key, locate it and click on the Authorize button next to it. You may need to confirm the authorization in a pop-up window. Ensure that you check the permissions to match your reporting needs. After confirming the authorization, the API key status will update accordingly. Make sure to securely store your API key for future use. Now, you can use your authorized API key to access reporting data through the impact.com API. Testing your API key is recommended. You can do this by making a sample API call. If the call returns the expected data, your API key is successfully authorized. Now you are ready to utilize the impact.com API for your reporting tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.